Yo people, this is JWise. Alright, so I'm a new YouTuber just like most of you guys watching this, and if you're struggling to get views and subscribers, don't worry about it. It's just a natural process with being a new YouTuber. But one of the things I think YouTube should include is kind of like having a sub channel, or maybe like a kind of like a junk video folder. What do I mean by this? Now, this is my channel, right? So I've got videos about controversial topics and I give advice. But here you can see this video, riding Candy Red R6. So I ride a motorbike. That video is irrelevant to my channel, but a video like that would draw a lot of traffic because a lot of people like motorbikes. With a video like that, that will draw traffic in, and then people will say, oh, hold on, let me go and check, some of his other videos and that. That will give me views. But then at the same time, if you've got a lot of subscribers and you post videos that are unrelated to the actual video, the actual channel topic, a lot of subscribers might not like that. They may even unsubscribe to your channel. But what they should allow is for you to have like a junk folder where you can post videos that are unrelated to the channel. People still view them, but they don't affect the algorithm. So basically, I just want this video to go viral. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I'll give you a quick preview of my video now. Like, you do a standard 9 to 5. You need to start doing extra curriculum stuff. You need to be away from your woman. You need to, that absence, she needs to be able to miss you. She needs to wonder, like, what's he doing? Like, who's he with? Even if you're not doing anything, obviously don't go out of your way to make it seem like you're doing something when you're not. But you need to give your woman that absence. You need to be away from home. You cannot be some flipping couch potato. Listen, I know someone, they always complain about their boyfriend. They say, oh, he comes home from work, so he works during the day, obviously, so he comes home from work, and all he does is, he comes home from work, he sits on the sofa, he drinks beer and goes piss. That's it. That's all the man does. He don't do nothing. You have to... I hope you enjoyed that. Alright, so follow me on Instagram, JWiseUK. Like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station, yeah? See ya.